Hello, hello, hello. Just got done washing and conditioning my hair with this R+Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioner. I will look and see if I can find a link. I won this as part of a prize from Jessie Miller Unboxing and More. I'll link her below. I'll see if I can find this product. If I can, I'll link it below as well. This product, I'll tell you, I was really pleased with it. It has a very strong, musky, kind of masculine cologne smell. If you're familiar with the smell of Polo cologne or Jacquard cologne, it smells similar to one of those. Has that really deep, musky smell, which I really like that smell. So yeah, the conditioner and the shampoo both have that scent in them. I got really great suds from the shampoo. Like it foamed and sudsed really nicely. Really got a lot of nice beautiful bubbles going in my hair. Let's see. The conditioner, I left the conditioner in for probably about 5 minutes or so, around 5 minutes. Rinsed out perfectly, and yeah, my hair typically tangles terribly. It is not tangling at all. I've already run a comb through it once, and yeah, the conditioner did a great job just keeping my hair from getting all tangled and frizzy and stuff. So I would highly recommend this shampoo and conditioner. If you've ever tried this brand, let me know what your experience was with it. And if you have not tried this brand, let me know what shampoo brand you typically go to. What's your go-to shampoo brand? Let me know down below. Maybe it's one I'll give a try in the future. But yeah, I would be very happy to buy this product. Very, very happy. This was quite nice. Out of 5 stars, I would solid give this a 4.5 stars. Like, this is quite delightful. I liked it a lot. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.